Hey everyone! Welcome to 4-Minute Finance Channel. If you've ever thought, I want to invest, but I only have $100, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with just 100 even if you've never invested before. So make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips. Why you should start, you might be thinking, can I really invest with just $100? Yes, you absolutely can! In fact, starting with a small amount is the best way to learn. You build habits, get comfortable with the markets, and grow your money over time. Remember, investing isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone who wants to build a better future. Where to invest? Let's break it down. First, open an investment account. You can use free apps like Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, or even Acorns, which invests your spare change automatically. These apps are beginner-friendly and you can start with as little as $1. Now the big question, what do I buy? Here are 3 simple options for your first $100. First one is ETFs. These are bundles of stocks. A great one to start with is VLO, which follows the S500. That's like owning a tiny piece of the top 500 US companies. Second one is fractional shares. Can't afford one full share of Amazon or Tesla? No problem. Most apps let you buy a part of a share. So you can invest $10, $25, or whatever you want. Third one is high-yield savings or CDs, not technically investing, but if you're still nervous, a high-yield savings account can grow your money safely while you learn. A quick tip, whatever you do, don't chase quick money. Stick with what you understand and invest for the long term. Set a simple goal like, I will invest $20 a month. That's how real wealth is, built little by little. Also, read up. Watch videos. Stay curious. The more you learn, the smarter your decisions will be. So there you go. You now know how to start investing with just $100. Open an app. Choose something simple like ETFs or fractional shares. Stay consistent. And hey, if future you could thank you, they would. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy investing!